Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today I'm going to take you on an RV tour of this brand new 2026 Remote 14R couples style travel trailer here, built by Coachmen RV. This thing is a small RV that comes in about 17 feet 7 inches long. It has a dry weight of around 2,766 pounds, but we're going to take a few minutes here, run you through the inside, the outside, look at the roof, look underneath, and really kind of show you what this little guy is all about. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are now stepping up in the all-new 2026 Remote 14R travel trailer here by Coachmen RV. As you see it on the floor plan that was up a few seconds ago, this is a front bedroom slash rear bathroom kind of setup. We're going to start up here in the front, and then we will work our way to the back. So you do have the AC system right up here. It's a drop-in dump AC. You're going to have a decent amount of overhead cabinet space up here. The window over there opens, has a pull-down roller shade. You have a very cool front windshield setup right there. Basically an east to west queen bed. You're going to have a electric outlet down there, and there is a little thing down there. It's got the word Starlink written on it. Honestly, I'm not 100% sure what that is. I'm going to have to double check on that one for you. The dinette over here does drop down, makes into a bed. Window over there opens up. You do have more overhead cabinet space here. And then you have a large turbo exhaust fan up here. Spinning on around over this direction, there is TV hookups over there on that wall. You have your thermostat for your propane furnace. Now, this propane furnace is actually located right down here. So, you can kind of see in the picture popping up here, there's a couple full extending ball bearing drawer drawers. There's some storage space underneath it here, and a pull-up cabinet door down there. It's a little different. Instead of folding down, they made it pull up for some reason. On the side of the cabinet over there is another electric outlet. This unit has a tire pressure monitoring system with it. This is very cool. I think every RV should have this. Hopefully they make that one of those forced items here soon with the RVIA code. You are going to have high-rise faucet right there. It does have a little sink cover grater thing here. It is an undermount sink. A 2-burner gas stovetop with the light-up knobs. And you have the Furrion 3-in-1 air fryer convection system microwave. It's a pretty nice setup right there. That big window does open, and you also have some overhead cabinet space up there. But overall, a very cool small couples travel trailer here. Again, lightweight, easy to tow around. You're going to have your mini fridge back here. This is a 12-volt powered refrigerator. You also have a little overhead cabinet space up here. Electric box with the breakers and fuses down below. On the side right here, there's a little bottle opener, a light switch. You got a little thing here to hold some stuff. There is also going to be a Bluetooth speaker here, the power awning button, and a light switch. And then right on back over here, it does have your bathroom area here. So kind of starting up top, there is a vent fan. There's a skylight. You're going to have your medicine cabinet here. ABS tub surround, step-in shower, pull across curtain, foot flush toilet. There is an electric outlet in there also. So if you are looking for a small, lightweight, pretty easy to tow around RV here, this might be the one for you guys. All right, I want to take you around the outside real quick. We will be right back on the outside. All right, we are now back on the outside of the all-new 2026 Remote 14R by Coachmen RV here. We're gonna start here on the door side and work our way around for you. So first things up, you have a very nice white fiberglass exterior, aluminum studded foam block insulated sidewall with the upgraded Azdel composite material instead of those cheaper wood Luan backers. So I do give them some kudos for the upgrade there. You're going to also have a nice power awning here with the LED light built in close to the body of the RV, adjustable arms for tilting, manual override in the front arm head. You do have tinted windows. Just above the wheel right there, you're going to have an electric outlet, and you also have your furnace exhausting out over here. Your baggage door is held back by a magnetic holder. Now looking down inside here, you can see there's a light switch, a light in here. There's also the charge controller for the solar panel, but overall a pretty large outside storage area for a small RV like this. Looking down below, you can see your front stabilizer jack, your spare tire mounted underneath of there, the fresh water tank just in front of the axles here. This is a single axle unit, aluminum wheels, drum brakes, easy loop hub, has a tire pressure monitoring system, which is extremely important, and it is currently riding on Goodyear Wrangler tires. The heavy duty Moore ride step here comes down, touches the ground. It is rated for 500 pounds. It has adjustable feet. You flip it in the doorway when you're ready to travel. They did a pretty cool little logo light down there. You're going to also have a large folding entry handle here. And then you do have a fiberglass entry door with a screen door. No window built in, but it does have a peephole in it also. And just kind of looking down underneath of here, again, you can see the rear stabilizer jacks. There's a gas line hookup down here for the portable grill that comes with it also. Now, I got out the little table so you can kind of see that little table right there. And that basically is where you would put the griddle, and then you plug it into the gas line hookup down below. You'll see the griddle when we get around to the other side of the storage compartment there. 4-inch squared tube bumper, traditional flat back fiberglass rear end. Now right there in the top center, it is prepped for a Furrion rear observation camera. It's a very nice camera that would allow you to see what's going on behind you when you're driving down the road or backing into a campsite. Now, you can kind of see a little bit of an arch to that roof to help with water runoff, so it's not a flat roof or anything. But I want to hop up here real quick and kind of show you what the roof might look like depending on how you order your Remote 14R. All right, I just wanted to hop up here real quick and kind of show you what the roof of a 2026 Remote 14R might look like depending on how you order yours. So just kind of starting back here in the back, you can see there's a plumbing stack vent, a roof vent, a skylight, and another plumbing stack vent. You're going to have a solar panel, another roof vent, and the air conditioner up here. Now, really the whole point of kind of getting up here was to show you there's quite a few items on the roof of your RV, and it's very, very important to get up here from time to time and maintain your seams and seals and everything to make sure your RV is going to last you for years to come. All right, let's head on back down. All right, back down here on the ground. Again, just extremely important to keep up with your roof maintenance. Very, very important. So, right on down below here, you can see you have your 30 amp power cord hookup. It is a detachable power cord. There is a cable and satellite inlet right there. Hot and cold low point water drains. Your gray and black tank dumps are all right here. Again, rear stabilizer jack. Outside utility shower, black tank flush and city water inlet right here. Your on-demand water heater located right here. And then just down below is going to be your freshwater tank drain. Your gravity fill freshwater inlet right there. And then the other side of your storage area, right there is that little griddle. It's a Suburban 18-inch griddle. Step back here so you can see down the side a little better. Now there's some real important informational stuff here. So for example, production date sticker. Tells you the date it was built, your model number, again 14R. Tells you the gross weight of the RV. This RV grosses out, that's the max you can load it up to, axle weight, hitch weight, everything combined, 3,800 pounds. Do not exceed that number. The dry weight when it rolled off the assembly line with these options was 2,766 pounds, with an exterior length of 17 feet 7 inches. Tire size says it's an ST235 75R15 C-range tire with a 51 PSI cold. And it is extremely important to keep up with your tire pressure. And again, they give you that tire pressure monitor to help you do so. So pay attention to it. You're going to have that roughly 3/4 fiberglass front shell with the lower aluminum plating down below. Nice window. Some green LED lights there. That's a little different. Kind of goes with a little bit of the original theme of their decal. You are going to have a 20-pound propane tank, room for 1, possibly 2 batteries to go on the front, depending on the size of the batteries. Breakaway cable, 7-way Bargman wiring plug, a manual tongue jack. You have 2 5/16 hitch ball, heavy-duty safety chains. There is a battery disconnect down underneath of there, and then you can kind of see that little orange light down there. That is the repeater for the tire pressure monitoring system. One thing you might consider doing is upgrading to a power tongue jack, although this one is pretty light, not much tongue weight, so it's pretty easy to crank up and down manually, but some people like those power tongue jacks with the light and manual overrides. If that's you, talk with your salesperson about adding that to the RV. All right, guys, we are completed with this tour. Thank you very much for hanging in there with me. If you don't mind, please remember to smash that like button. If you haven't done so already, please remember to subscribe, and then do your wallet a huge favor and check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation, guys. They're one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. They should be able to save you a lot of money on a new RV. They even have delivery available, so you don't even have to leave your house if you don't want to. Check them out.